Welcome to your ultimate guide on home gardening secrets for 2024. In this video, we'll share expert tips and tricks that will elevate your gardening game and help you grow like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, our comprehensive insights will cover everything from soil preparation to selecting the right plants for your climate. Discover the latest gardening trends for 2024, including innovative techniques and sustainable practices that will ensure a thriving garden. Learn about the best tools to use, how to effectively manage pests, and the secrets to maximizing your yield. Join us as we explore essential gardening tips for beginners. Preparation of planting material, seeds, tubers, cuttings, etc. Preparing wicking containers, preparation of compost and liquid fertilizer, preparing natural remedies for pests and disease, and finally, organic gardening methods to enhance your health and the environment. Don't miss out on these invaluable gardening secrets that will transform your garden into a lush paradise. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more gardening tips and tutorials. Let's grow together in 2024. In this video, you'll learn the ultimate gardening secrets for 2024 that will help you grow like a pro, regardless of your experience level. Many budding gardeners struggle with understanding plant care, soil health, and seasonal changes, leading to frustration and failed gardens. They often find themselves wondering why their plants aren't thriving, despite their best efforts. This lack of knowledge can be overwhelming, especially for those who are new to gardening. It's not uncommon to feel like you're constantly fighting an uphill battle, trying to keep your plants alive. But the truth is, gardening doesn't have to be that way. With the right knowledge and techniques, anyone can create a thriving garden. Unfortunately, many of us are missing out on the essential gardening secrets that can make all the difference. We will explore essential tips on selecting the right plants, soil preparation, pest management, and the best gardening practices tailored for 2024. From choosing the perfect vegetables and flowers for your climate to creating a soil that's rich in nutrients, we'll cover it all. You'll learn how to identify and eliminate common pests and disease, and implement effective strategies for dealing with seasonal changes. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of what it takes to create a pro-level garden. The first secret to creating a successful garden is selecting the right plants for your climate and soil type. This might seem obvious, but it's surprising how many gardeners get this wrong. By choosing plants that are well suited to your local conditions, you'll be giving them the best possible start in life. Second, you need to prepare your soil for planting. This involves creating a nutrient-rich environment that will support healthy plant growth. Third, you need to be aware of common pests and diseases that can affect your plants, and know how to deal with them effectively. Another crucial aspect of gardening is understanding the seasonal changes that affect your plants. By being aware of the specific challenges that come with each season, you can take steps to protect your plants and ensure they continue to thrive. For example, during the summer months, it's essential to provide your plants with adequate water and shade. In the winter, you need to protect them from harsh winds and frost. The key insight here is the importance of understanding your local climate and microenvironment, which can dramatically influence your gardening success. By being aware of the specific conditions in your area, you can tailor your gardening strategies to meet the unique needs of your plants. This might involve using drought-resistant plants in areas with low rainfall or selecting varieties that are resistant to common pests. Whatever the specific challenges in your area, having a deep understanding of your local climate will give you a significant advantage. Understanding your local climate is crucial because it allows you to anticipate and prepare for any challenges that might arise. For example, if you live in an area with a high risk of frost, you can take steps to protect your plants from damage. By being proactive, you can minimize the risk of damage and ensure your plants continue to thrive. Additionally, understanding your local climate allows you to make informed decisions about the types of plants you grow and how you care for them. By understanding the specific conditions in your area, you can create a garden that's tailored to your unique needs. This might involve using raised beds or containers to improve drainage, or selecting plants that are well suited to your soil type. Whatever the specific challenges in your area, having a deep understanding of your local climate will give you the tools you need to succeed. To summarize, by implementing these gardening secrets, you can maximize your yield and enjoy a thriving garden this year. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these tips will give you the knowledge and confidence you need to succeed. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to check out our next video on advanced gardening techniques. Please subscribe and leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below.